Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Mr. Speaker, dear colleagues. Dear colleagues, my name is Honorable Prince Rotimi Agunsoye, representing Koshofe Federal Constituency of Lagos. Dear colleagues, the most hated person in the world is the person that speaks the truth. And people will not want to listen to the truth because they do not want their illusion destroyed. Mr. Speaker, dear colleagues, I think enough is enough. We need to address the main issue now. Where are we? The role of government in governance is to protect lives and property of the people and to provide welfare for the people. Mr. Speaker, we have failed woefully in all this. My other colleague there, Sununu, said over 70 people were killed. My dear colleague from Oyo State said over 50 people were killed. Somebody from Imo said their people are being killed. Go to the northeast, north central, northwest, southeast, southwest, south. Our people are being killed. What are we doing in government? It is important we address this, Mr. Speaker. Is it the time when we have fighter jets moving here and there that we will address this issue? Something has to be done, Mr. Speaker. I submit. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Rotimi. We feel your passion. I think we're all on the same page. We're all on the same.
Silence, please. Silence, please.
Mr. Speaker, I rely on Order 8 and the combined rule of Rule 4 and 7 to move a motion of urgent national and public importance on the killing of 130 Izzi people in my federal constituency, precisely in Ekle ward of Ado local government of Benue State. Okay, I don't listen to my emotion.
We are going for prayers.
Go ahead, Honorable Francis.
Mr. Speaker, on the 30th of May, 130 of my constituents were murdered.
Hold on, Honorable Francis. Hold on, please. For those who are exiting the chambers for whatever meeting you are going for, can you please exit and leave those of us in chambers alone and quiet, please? Somebody is moving a motion, we can't even hear a thing.
And not addressed immediately, it may A. lead to breakdown of law and order, B. cause serious damage or total destruction of federal government-owned or controlled infrastructure or national monument or a World Heritage Center. 3. Any matter considered to be urgent by Mr. Speaker. 3. If the claim is allowed by the Speaker and the leave of the House is given by majority of all members present, the matter shall stand over till the next day, till the next legislative day. 4. Not more than 2 of such motions should be made at the same sitting. And third, any other matter shall be on notice only. Mr. Speaker, I'm making this information available to all members, which they very well know, but it's being abused on daily basis by members. Well,
go on.
So, Mr. Speaker, I think members should take note, because it is costing us a lot of legislative time. They know that the rules do not allow more than 2 motions, but they still insist on making this. So we should put a stop to this practice And we should also implement the rule. Not once you move a motion of urgent nature reporters, it will not be taken immediately. That's what our rule says. It will be taken the next day. So, Mr. Speaker, these are the issues I want to raise. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.